Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be going over the best deals of the week that you can do at Walgreens. We've got cheap stuff, we've got free stuff, and we have money-making deals. So, before we get started, you guys know the drill. If you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help me out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so we're going to start this video out with a freebie. So we have a free 8x10 photo when you use the code July8x10. So I did this deal a couple of days ago, and as you can see here, these are normally priced at $3.99, but when you use the code, it'll take that off and make it completely free. Now, even if you can't get to the store within the next couple of days, go ahead and order it. Typically, they will hold it for you for a couple of weeks, so make sure that you get in on this freebie. Next up, we have Scott paper towels, Scott bath tissue, and Scott Kleenex. These are priced at $5, but we have a 125 off 1 IVC store coupon, which makes those $3.25. But the deal gets even better because on Fetch Rewards, we do have a bonus for Kleenex tissue. It is for 750 points, which is the equivalent of 75 cents. So that'll make your final price just $3. And also on Fetch Rewards, we have a 1,000-point bonus for the Scott paper towels 6 count or larger. So that will make your final price on those just $2.75. Now, if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I highly recommend it, especially if you are new to couponing. Super simple and easy. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on the products that you purchased. Then you can turn those points into gift cards. If you're not already signed up, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you will receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2, which would make this deal even cheaper. Alright, so for this next deal, you may or may not find this in your store, but some of the Nivea lotions were on clearance at my store. This one here is the breathable lotion. It is priced at $6.79 on clearance. We have a $2 rebate back on Ibotta, so that'll make your final price just $4.79. Now, if you want to check out some more visuals that I had of clearance items that I found in my store, go and check out my video that I posted on Saturday. I'll leave that linked down in the pinned comment below. There's more Walgreens deals that are going on this week in that video as well, and also a bunch of clearance items that you want to be on the lookout for. Alright, so next up we have the Colgate deal. This is completely free oral care this week. If you want to pick up 2 of the Colgate, they are on sale for $4 each. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. That'll leave you paying $4 out of pocket, and you'll get back $4 in Walgreens cash. So that'll make your final price completely free. Or you could also do the same deal, but pick up 2 of the Colgate toothbrushes at $8. Use the 4 off 2 manufacturer coupon specifically for the Colgate toothbrushes. You'll pay $4 out of pocket. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but you don't want to use Walgreens cash to pay because you're getting Walgreens cash back. If that has changed, somebody please let me know because, as you guys know, I've been couponing at DG more often than Walgreens. So if I'm wrong on that, please correct me in the comments, and I will pin that at the top if there's a correction that needs to be made. But you can also use a register reward to lower the out-of-pocket. Then you'll get back $4 in Walgreens cash, which will make that completely free. Next up, under the same promotion, we have Irish Spring and Soft Soap Body Wash. They're on sale 2 for $8, and you'll receive $4 in Walgreens cash back when you buy 2. So here is the breakdown for this deal. You want to pick up 2 of the Irish Spring or Soft Soap Body Wash at $8. Use 2 of the 1 off 1 insert coupons from the 718 Smart Source. Now there is one off 1 digital available if you want to use a digital and an insert. You're going to pay $6 and you're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash, which will make your final price $2 for 2, making those just $1 each. Alright guys, so next up we have another freebie. Now, whenever I did these deals a couple of days ago, this was actually out of stock, and I am going to give you an alternative way that you can do this deal. But if you can look online, if your store has these in stock, you want to pick up one of the Garnier Skin Active Micellar waters. These are the 3.4 ounces for $4.99. Use the 3 off 1 manufacturer coupon and the 2 off 1 IVC store coupon, and that will make it completely free. Now, I do want to say, sometimes people get these deals at the beginning of the week and then they're out of stock for like ship to store orders. So always check back later on in the week, because sometimes Walgreens does restock and make those items available again. So always check on Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You may still be able to get in on this freebie if you need to do a ship to store order. Now here is an alternative. This is what I ended up doing. I picked up the Garnier Micellar water. This is the 13.5 ounce bottles. These are priced at $6.79. Use the 3 off 1 manufacturer coupon and the 2 off 1 IVC coupon. Use the code July Beauty. That took off 36 cents, and that made my subtotal $1.49. I used $1 in Walgreens cash, so I paid 49 cents for this larger bottle. So I thought that was a really great deal and a good alternative for that free item. All right, next up we have some L'Oreal lipsticks. So you want to pick up 2 of the L'Oreal Infallible lipsticks at $10.48. They are buy one, get one 50% off, and they are normally priced at $6.99. We have a 5 off 2 manufacturer coupon and a 2 off 1 IVC store coupon. So that'll leave you paying $3.48 for 2, making those $1.74 each. And if you're not including this in a spend deal where you're getting Walgreens cash back, you can use your Walgreens cash to lower your out-of-pocket and make this deal even sweeter. All right, so next up, we received a high value 12 off 2 for the number 7 products. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that you can use this coupon, but here's how I did it. I did an online order and used free ship to store. I picked up one of the number 7 gel creams for $10.79 and one of the number 7 Lift and Illuminate day creams for $8.10. Your subtotal will be $18.89. You'll use the 12 off 1 manufacturer digital coupon. You'll pay $6.89 out of pocket. I used $5 in Walgreens cash, so that left me paying $1.89 for 2, which I thought was a really great deal. Alright, so this 12 off 2 digital coupon is also working on the number 7 Protect and Perfect Day Cream. These are priced at $5.63 each, so that's going to put you at $11.26 if you pick up 2. Use the 12 off 2 digital coupon and that will make these completely free. Now this coupon doesn't expire until August the 28th. And I will say that this product was out of stock at my stores and online whenever I was doing my deals on Tuesday, but they may be in stock now. If they're not, don't worry about it. If you want to pick up this specific product and use that $12 coupon and get a complete freebie, I would check back next week because, like I said, this coupon does not expire until August the 28th. So you've got a little bit of time to get in on this deal. Alright, next up is another online pickup order that I did. You want to pick up 2 of the Aussie Miracle shampoos for $4.48. They are $2.29 each. We have a 3 off 2 manufacturer coupon. I used the code USEPICKUP15. That took off 45 cents. So that left me paying $1.03 for 2, making those just 51 cents each. So I thought that was a really awesome deal. Now, if you're going to do this deal in store, keep in mind that prices may vary and you can't use that discount code. So your final price would be $1.48 for 2, making those 74 cents each. But this may be a great item to throw in if you're doing a spin deal in the store. All right, next up we have a deal on Nexxus shampoos. I did do this deal on Tuesday. We have some high value coupons. We have a 5 off 1 and an 8 off 2. And when you spend $20, you'll get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So for this deal, again, it was an online order. I picked up 3 of the Nexxus shampoos for $8.39 each. That put my subtotal at $25.17. I used the 8 off 2 manufacturer coupon and the 5 off 1. I used $5 in Walgreens cash because that did bring my subtotal down to $20.17 so that I would still get that $10 in Walgreens cash back. I paid $7.17 out of pocket and got back $10 in Walgreens cash. That made my final price free plus a $2.83 moneymaker. Now, I do want to say on yesterday's DG Run Glitch video, I did have a wonderful subscriber. We were commenting back and forth about the Dollar General glitch, and she had mentioned something that was going on with the Nexxus deal at Walgreens. She didn't specify. Hopefully, she'll get back with me and give me the details on what's going on. I did make a second account earlier this week So I tried to get on there to see if maybe the coupon had been taken away or something like that. But as far as I know, my coupons are still on my second account. If you guys know what's going on with this deal, let me know in the comments below, and I will leave an update in the pinned comment if there's any changes. Alright, so next up we have some cheap Wet n Wild products. So you can pick up the Wet n Wild Brow Pencil at $1.99 and use the 150 off 1 IVC store coupon. That'll leave you paying just 49 cents. So these are great filler items. Now, you can also pick up the Wet n Wild lipsticks. There are a big variety to choose from. These are priced at $1.99. Use the 150 off 1 IVC coupon and you'll pay just 49 cents. Or you can also pick up the Wet n Wild lip gloss, also $1.99. Use the 150 off 1 IVC store coupon and you'll pay just 49 cents. Alright, next up, we received a 4 off 2 for the Soap and Glory Cosmetics. So if you want to pick up 2 of the Soap and Glory Pore Wipes, that's going to put you at $9.14. They are $4.57 each. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon, and that'll leave you paying $5.14 for 2, making those $2.57 each. Now again, you can use Walgreens cash to pay and lower your out-of-pocket. Alright, and here is another really great deal that you can do with the Soap and Glory 4 off 2 coupon. Now, when I checked online on Tuesday, these were out of stock for ship to store, but you may have them available at your store and you can do a pickup order. So you want to pick up 2 of these Soap and Glory bath bombs. That's going to put you at $5.62 for 2. They are buy one, get one 50% off. Then you'll use that 4 off 2 digital coupon, and that'll leave you paying $1.62 for 2, making those 81 cents each. And again, this coupon does not expire until August the 28th, so you do have some time. Even if this item is out of stock, you have some time to get in on this deal. Now, you could also pick up 2 of these Soap and Glory lipsticks at $9. They are $4.50 each. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon, and that'll leave you paying $5 for 2, making those $2.50 each. Alright, so next up we have another freebie. Now this does have to be an online order as far as I could tell. They do not have this product in my stores near me. It may be different though for you. You want to pick up one of these Salon Graphics hairspray. They're priced at $2.99. Use the 3 off 1 digital coupon and that will make it completely free. Now again, this was one of the items that was out of stock earlier in the week. Again, on Tuesday was when I checked, so they may have those back in stock and available to ship to store as of now, but definitely check back and see. Again, this is one of those coupons that don't expire for a while, so we have until September the 12th to get in on this deal. Just make sure that you make yourself a note, save this in your screenshot so you don't forget to check back and see if that item is back in stock. Next up, we have the Clear Eyes Eye Drops. These are priced at $3.99. We have a 1 off 1 manufacturer coupon and a 2 off 1 IVC store coupon. So that will make your final price just 99 cents. So that's a pretty good deal there. And next up, we have Unisum Gummies. These are priced at $12.99. We received a high value 8 off 1 manufacturer coupon, and we have a 3 off 1 IVC store coupon. So that'll leave you paying just $1.99. And here is probably the deal of the week. I'm sure plenty of you have already saw this deal, but I wanted to go ahead and tell you all about it anyways. So we have a glitch. You want to pick up 4 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $12. They are on sale for $3 each. Use the 3 off 2 manufacturer coupon and a 2 off 2 manufacturer coupon. That's going to leave you paying $7. Now, I haven't been into the store to do this yet. I've been pretty busy this week, but I do plan on going today or tomorrow. So, as far as I can tell, you can use Register Rewards or Walgreens cash to lower your out-of-pocket, but you're going to get back $8 in Walgreens cash on the Crest and a $5 Register Reward because we have the buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens cash promotion, and then there's also a $5 Register Reward printing when you spend $10. So, that'll make your final price completely free plus a $6 moneymaker. Now, here is an alternative way that you can do this deal. You want to pick up 2 of the Crest with Scope mouthwash. I'm not sure why I put Oral-B, but you guys know what I mean. It's pictured on the screen here. It's the Crest with Scope mouthwash. These are on sale for $4 each, so that's going to put you at $8. Then you want to pick up 4 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $12. That's going to put your subtotal at $20. Now, you could definitely pair this with your spend booster that you received on your account, or if you have a paper spend booster that you want to use, this would be a great deal to pair that up with. But you want to use 2 of the 3 off 2 manufacturer digital coupons and a 2 off 2 manufacturer digital coupon. We also have paper coupons in the PNG insert that you can use as well. You'll pay $12 out of pocket. As far as I understand, you can use Register Rewards or Walgreens Cash to lower your subtotal. And you're going to get back $8 in Walgreens Cash for the buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens Cash on Crest. The spend 10, get a $5 register reward. And then there's also a deal on the Oral-B mouthwash. You'll get back a $4 register reward for that as well. So that'll make your final price completely free plus a $5 moneymaker. Now this is definitely a deal that I'm going to try to do. Hopefully my store has everything in stock. They usually get a truck toward the end of the week. So I'm crossing my fingers that I can do this deal either today or tomorrow. Alright, so next up we have some school supply deals. We're just going to scroll through these really quickly. We've got filler paper for 99 cents. We've got index cards and other assorted school supplies for 49 cents. We've got buy one, get one free on the binders, backpacks, and Elmer's glue. And then there's select glue that is 2 for $7. Next up, we have Crayola markers for just 99 cents. And then select, it looks like 5-star notebooks, 2 for $5. And then we have some deals on highlighters and markers here. If you guys need to pause and take a screenshot, feel free to do so. Now, I just wanted to point all of that out because down here at the bottom of this little list of online codes that you can use, we do have $5 off when you spend $15 on back to school supplies with the code 5SCHOOL. So that may be a deal that you can just do like a pickup order, use that code and get a really good deal on some school supplies. Now, here's a couple of other online codes that I used while doing my deals. We have Use Pickup 15, which is 15% off regular priced items. Then we have July Beauty, which is 20% off of the regular priced beauty items. And here's a couple of more codes that have popped up over the last couple of days. When you spend $25, you can use the code FLASH25. When you spend $20, you can use the code HINKLE5. And for 10% off of your pickup order, you can use the code 10PICKUP. Now, if you guys know any other codes that you can use on pickup orders or online orders or spin deals or whatever it may be, if you know anything that I've left out, please leave it in the comment section down below. Now, I took a look at my Walgreens account before I started editing this video, and here is the sneak peek for next week. I received a spend 20, earn $5 in Walgreens cash, and I also wanted to ask you guys about this other booster, okay? This is a sneak peek for next week as well. It is make 4 purchases and spend $15 each purchase, get $7 in Walgreens cash, and this one doesn't expire until the end of the month. Now, some of you guys may remember I used to coupon at Walgreens pretty much every single week and show you guys the best deals and show you guys my hauls. I'm trying to get back into that. I really enjoyed couponing at Walgreens, but it's taken me a minute to kind of grasp all the rules because some things did change and I have to kind of relearn all of that stuff again. So I remember we had these before when I was couponing there regularly, and we never really could figure out why they didn't work. We're not sure if it was because of coupons or if you just had to spend $15 out of pocket to get it to work or whatever it may be. But if any of you guys have figured this out, or if you know somebody, another YouTuber maybe who have figured it out, please leave that information down in the comment section because I am trying to relearn Walgreens and kind of get the hang of it. So I'm trying to learn as much as I can. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but if you missed my video that I uploaded on Saturday, go back and check that out. There are some more deals that you can do at Walgreens this week up until the 31st, and there's also a lot of pictures of clearance items that you need to be on the lookout for. So I will leave a link to that video in the pinned comment down below, and also if there's any changes to any of these deals, any updates, maybe I'll hear back and get an update on that Nexxus deal. If there's any updates on any of my videos, any of the deals that I post, I always put a correction in the pinned comment, or I'll make a post in the community tab. So any videos that you guys watch, make sure you read that pinned comment to make sure that there's no corrections before you head out to the store. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Now, before you go, please make sure that you are subscribed. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it really does help me out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.